If you are a short form creator and people skip your videos quickly, this is probably the reason. I had the same problem too, and one small fix I applied to my videos improved the first 3 seconds retention from 10% to 40%. So firstly, we will shortly talk about why people are skipping your videos so quickly, and then I will show you the solution. Now when you think about it, there is so many content being posted online every single day. Millions of videos, and people, the viewers, they have so many options to watch. Therefore, they don't have patience anymore. Our job as content creators is to grab the attention of the viewer immediately, otherwise they're gone. The problem I realized in my videos was that when I start the video with introducing myself, like, hey guys, my name is Cem, this is what I do, etc. If I start my videos in a boring way, hey guys, in this video we will talk about XYZ. And if I started my videos with something that is not very relevant to the video topic, the viewers stopped watching instantly. And if you do one of these mistakes in your videos as well, then people will also scroll your videos immediately. So I did some research to solve this problem, and I found a very good solution that works. The problem was happening in the first sentence. After I fixed the first sentence of my videos, I achieved to grab the attention. And the solution was using something called a hook. A hook is the first sentence of your video that grabs the viewer's attention and make them want to keep watching your video. So basically, a hook has two jobs. It should be relatable and it should create curiosity. So let's see the example of what I did. If your videos don't get views, you might be making this one little mistake and you don't even realize it. The first part of this sentence, when I say, if your videos don't get views, it immediately creates relatability with the audience who are content creators and defines the problem that they don't get views. So the viewer immediately knows who is this video for, which is content creators, and what is this video about, which is a video about not getting views. And in the second part of this sentence, I said, you might be making this one little mistake. This is the second job of the hook, which creates curiosity, because the viewer wants to know what mistake they are creating. To find that out, they need to keep watching the video. So when I use this hook format that creates relatability and curiosity, my video's retention quickly improved from 10-something% to 40%. So put some effort in the first sentence of your video, build some hook, and you should get also better results. But there is one more thing you need to do, otherwise using good hooks alone won't be enough. And we will talk about it in the next video. If you don't want to miss it, and if you are a beginner creator, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.